Yeah, what is up guys? This is your guy Ralph from Revit Ralph, and this will be the first na makikita nyo ako sa vlog ko. This will also be the first na magkakaroon tayo ng review. And yes, it's a first but won't be the last. And I promise you that. Kita yun sa likod? Sobrang laman yan. So yung aim natin is mapuno yan ng mga stuff na re-reviewin ko. Sana naman madinig mo ako learn. So, let's go on with the first review. Kung napanood nyo yung mga previous videos ko guys, I'm sure puro hangin lang yung naririnig nyo. First, pangit yung mic ko. Actually, wala akong mic. And at the same time, yung helmet ko is yung generic helmets. Yung mga pina helmets. Kaya, alam mo na yun pag tumatakbo ka, even at slow speed, parang bagyo na sa loob. So first, bumili ako ng GoPro mic adapter and nireview ko na rin yon. However, hindi pa rin ganun kaganda yung output ng audio. So, the mic adapter is not a problem. Yung mic hindi din problema. So, it was the helmet. And sumakto din, syempre, magre-review tayo ng helmet. Bumotovlog tayo tapos wala tayong review ng helmet. Hindi pwede yun, di ba? So, let me just get box here. Ako makikita. Here it is. Ayan guys. Yeah. Bigat siya. And it's, makikita nyo sa box. It says HJC. Yeah. For their branding, #1 in the world. #1 nga ba? First, let's open up what's inside the box. This is not an unboxing pala kasi binuksan ko na ito eh. Excited eh. And there it is. So you get this standard helmet bag with the HJC logo. Nothing fancy. Felt bag. And then, meron siyang manuals. Owner's manual. And by the way, yung model ng helmet natin, it's HJC CS-15. This is their entry-level na helmet. Budget-friendly helmet coming from a big brand. That's basically what's inside the box. Ayun, wala na. No more. Wala nang laman. Tapo na yan. And manuals, of course, tapo na rin. Who reads those? So we will have to check out kung ano nga ba yung mga features ng helmet na to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that baby. HJC CS-15 Faren red na colorway. Ang ganda ng pagkapula niya guys eh. Nung first kong nakita to by the way, thank you Shopee. Yung balak yung bumili din is from Team Graphitee. Yung kulay niya parang sobrang tingkat. But since nakita niyo man logo natin, red yung tao, di ba? Red yung parang silhouette ng tao. So, was looking for a red flashy helmet. Budget friendly dapat kasi nag-start lang tayo ng vlog eh. Syempre, it should pass the standards. Ito yung pinaka nakita ko na na swak sa budget with that flashy kind of red. Yung pagka-red niya, hindi siya actually in person, hindi siya makita. It's more like a deep kind of red. Parang tugo siya. Blood red. And I love it. So ano ba yung features ng helmet na to? First, let's check kung ano yung mga certifications niya. So, you can see there. Wait, camera focus. There. ECE. And then ICC. The other one. So, you have your HJC logo. Hindi siya sticker. Even yung sa harap is not sticker. Which is good. Ang ganda ng mga lines niya eh. And ang ganda ng pagka-matte. Sobra. I love this. So let's go to the front. you have your usual vents. There you go. And your visor, pin lock ready. Diba? So you can put your anti-fog dito. So ready na siya. And meron siyang lock. Pag nilock mo, hindi siya mabubuksan. Bukas na. There you go. Hindi na palakas yun. Kasi medyo ano kasi siya eh. Medyo matigas kasi siyang buksan. Which is good. Kasi para hindi, pag hindi mo naman nila, para hindi malipan na hangin. So, single visor. So, easily replaceable yung ano niya. Yung visor niya. So, kailangan nyo lang siyang isagad ng ganyan. And then, if you can see this, meron parang kulay black. May nakalagay naman siya. Ayaw ko makita sa camera. Pero nakalagay naman siyang open. So, you just have to click this. And then, voila, it pops out. Same on the other side. Reach out for that. And there you go. Visor out. The quality ng visor actually maganda siya. Apart. And it's not the cheap kind of visor na makakuha nyo sa ibang brands. Mga lower class or budget-friendly brands. So, yung paglalagay is also the same. So, just reverse how you did it. Pull it. There you go. There. Snaps back. Perfect. There. Balik na siya. Sobrang dali lang. No need for tools or anything. So, meron ding dalawang vents pala sa taas. So, close it. Sa likod, meron na siyang parang ano siya eh. Parang screen. And let's check what's inside. So yung ito, natatanggal. Of course, the cheek pads natatanggal and yung pinaka foam sa loob. Pero ang basic ng loob niya eh. Di siya ganun what do you call this? Kasi yung tela na to, parang nylon ano siya eh. So pag feeling mo, hindi siya mag-a-absorb ng sweat. Kaya, I think, mainit to. Hindi siya tulad ng sa AVG, yung sa other brands na ano. Kahit nga sa ano, alam ko yung sa Spider, maganda yung lining na to eh. Although yung foam niya makapal, maganda. Pero yung feel eh, alam mo yung pag ginanon mo siya, parang kung pag may sweat ka, parang hindi siya didikit. Kasi parang nylon siya. I don't know, some might find it good kasi parang hindi mag-absorb ng sweat. But for me, mainit. Yung strap niya, it's just the usual. Parang quick release ba to? Not sure. Yeah, release yata. Yung isa sa pinaka na impress ako dito, despite the budget, yung price point niya, is yung mga seals niya dito. Yung mga seals niya dito, magaganda. Quality seals. And rubber talaga siya. And close mo, talagang may sealing talaga siya. Hindi ko pa natadry syempre. Kita nyo naman. May ano pa, may sticker pa nito. You know what? Mas dyan ako na-excite eh. Kasi alam nyo kanina, lumabas na ako ng bahay. And I was so tempted na gamitin to. Pero dahil hindi ko pa nga na-review para sa inyo, eh, nagtimpi muna ako. But now, pwede ko na siyang tanggalin. There you go, guys. Done. It's done. Finally done. Mas maganda pala siya na wala yung sticker. Akala ko mas maganda na may sticker. Yeah. There you go. Ganda ng fit, guys. Sobra. Panalo to. Ano naman yung hulay. Hindi siya mabigat So, pagtatanggal, first, let's remove this. May tatlong clip lang siya sa loob. Just have to pull it and then it pops right down. So, 3, and just pull it out. So, ito na yung cheek pad. Pero maganda yung ano nito Maganda yung parang kapit nito sa pusnito. Yung Michael. By the way, this is XXL. And saktong-sakto siya sa akin. So, So let's remove the other one. Yeah. There you go. And there's the last one. Yun. Good foams. Ito lang yung telang to, yung ayaw ko. Sana kung pinalitan nila. So parang cotton nylon something. Yung ano niya, texture niya. Ito, natatanggal din. Yung chin guard. Hindi siya madaling matanggal. Like the other. Kasi meron siyang velcro tapes on both sides. So, it stays there. Really good. There's the inside. Sana makita na. This will be the first time natatanggalin ito. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna have to figure out paano kung gawin ito. Okay. So, ganun lang din pala. There you go. So, ito na yung pinaka... Manipis yung foam yung kasa. And same material yung dito sa gilid. So, ayun na. And then, wala na siyang lining. After ng mga foams, usually yung iba may lining pa. Pero ito wala na. Yung hard styro na kaagad. Pero pretty well ventilated na siya. Ooh! I got a free sticker! There you go, Team Graphitee. Maraming salamat po. Surprise, surprise. Akala ko kung anong meron sa loob na ano. Team Graphitee, salamat. Feedback ko lang is yung telang ginamit for the lining. Kasi, kahit ngayon, parang pinagpapawisan na ako. But, overall, it's good. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. Yung next is, itatest ko na lang na with the microphone. And then, kung maganda nga ba yung noise cancelling niya or wind cancelling niya. And then, that's gonna be it. I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Please do watch my videos. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And hit na rin the notification button para ma-upload yun. First ever review vlog done, and I'm out. Ciao.